Well, it's not that exciting, but it's a bit exciting because we're...
New year, new us. Well, it's not even a new year, is it?
Well, we're leaving the house for the first time in days and not sat on the sofa eating chocolate, watching films.
We've had a really good Christmas.
Yeah, we have had a really nice Christmas. We feel very relaxed.
To the point where, when we've been going out today, what time did we actually leave the house? 1 o'clock?
Yeah, I mean, yeah, it's taken us till 1 o'clock to get up and out. But yeah, we're going to have a nice afternoon out, so we're just on the way to IKEA. And we're going to get the Alex set of drawers, sorry it's a bit silly, to put our makeup in the dressing room.
Our makeup?
Well, my makeup and you've got lots of stuff.
Aftershave.
Yeah, we're going to do a mini dressing room transformation because it's just what we've got now. We've got way too much stuff and it's overflowing, isn't it? Down a pothole. So we're going to go to IKEA.
And then we've got the most exciting afterwards.
Yes, so it was good timing because we're going, my friend's having an engagement party tonight and they live in Solihull.
Which is very exciting.
So we were having to go to Solihull tonight anyway. So we thought, well, then my other friend last night told us that, because we were looking at honeymoons and said there's a honeymoon specialist where they've got like a shop in Solihull. So we were like, oh, let's go a bit early, book an appointment and go and have a chat with them and see like how much honeymoons are, because when I've been looking online it's quite
silly
expensive.
money, yeah.
So yeah, we're just to get an idea of how much things are going to cost and like if we can afford to do what do we want to do, because at the moment...
Well, you've looked and it is plausible, but there's definitely going to be better deals out there for you.
Yeah, so we're just going to see. I mean, they might be way more expensive because they're like, I don't know what they're called, Kuoni. We'll when we're there, we'll see what it's actually called, how you pronounce it. But I think it's like a luxury one anyway, so might be that's too expensive. But thought we
it gives us ideas though. At least
we
know that we're priced out, or we might be in the price range, or there might be wiggle room on particular things as well. Because we've looked at Emirates, haven't we?
Yeah, well, we've now looked at Emirates as well, and they're more
very good price.
Yeah.
Well, still ridiculous.
Still
money.
ridiculous, but a lot better than what I was looking at. Yes, I was getting a bit disheartened thinking, oh, we're not going to be able to afford to go anywhere. And then my friend told us these two places and they're both, well, really the one, Emirates, seems to be quite good. So if these aren't as good, we can just stick with Emirates, can't we? So,
plus, if we do go to the Maldives, it's going to be a cracking video.
It is going to be. That's what we were doing as well last night. We were just watching Maldives holiday vlogs, weren't we? Honeymoon vlogs. So yeah, that's making us very excited. But yeah, we're just stuck in the queue up to IKEA.
Which there always is.
Everyone is going to IKEA. And I've just thought, I haven't even checked if we've got the thing in stock.
Well, I mean, I've already said to you I'm having a vegetarian hot dog, so yeah, it's worth it for that.
If not, we can just have a little look around, because I wanted to have a look and see if they've got any bits we can have for the wedding. But yeah, that was quite a long introduction.
Oh, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yeah.
To the channel. It's like I say every video, the comments are really nice to listen to
listen to.
To read, sorry. And it's amazing that we've almost got 150 of you guys.
Yeah.
We'd like to make that before New Year's.
To 150.
So 150.
So one more. So if you're not subscribed and you're
please watching, be the special 150th person, and you'll know you're the 150th person who subscribed to our channel.
But yeah, oh, I've got to concentrate going around the roundabout now. But yeah, we hope you all had a lovely Christmas as well. And yeah, we'll see you in IKEA.
We're now officially a snowplow. Hi guys, so we had a really good day yesterday.
Our next day.
Yeah, IKEA is always amazing. We only had 45 minutes there, so we sort of rushed around a bit. But no, it's really good. And
they had the drawers.
They did have the drawers.
So that was good.
If you're wondering why we're a bit out of breath, it's because we've literally just got them up the stairs.
And I've just got changed because Matt said I could escape from prison. So I've changed. But yeah, we'll show you the room before. It is a mess, because this is why we're getting it, because we've got 3 drawers at the moment and we've got stuff for Christmas and we've just got nowhere to put it.
Yeah.
Although we were going to get it anyway, it's not just because we got stuff for Christmas, but yeah, we'll just show you now what it looks like before. So
yeah, and the engagement party was good, wasn't it? Which we went to.
Yeah.
But we didn't get back until late, so that's why we're doing it today.
Yeah.
So we'll just show you the room. So as you can probably see, it's a bit of a mess. But as Amy said, we've only got the 3 drawers. So we've gone for something which is 160 centimetres, so it'll come up about.
Yeah. Well, we don't know where we're either going to put it here, facing this way.
I can't believe how wonky that is.
Or, yeah, here.
And we're getting rid of those 2 anyway.
We're taking these down, because I do like them, but we put them up. They've been up over 2 years now, haven't they?
Yeah.
When we first moved, and it was all, I think we were rushing a bit, and they are a bit
they're not straight, the actual things aren't straight.
Yeah, and they're a bit hard to, like, they're not the best quality, so we just got some plain white ones from IKEA, so we're going to put those there.
To match the frames and the
Although they're quite long. I don't know whether they're going to fit with the mirror. So we might have to move the mirror. So it might be a whole rearrange of this
area.
So
For now?
Yeah, so this is the room now. Right, so I've just sorted out all the stuff on the desk, so that's looking better, and Matt is building. You're doing it a lot quicker than I thought. I was going to set up and do a time lapse, but I mean, you've pretty much done most of it. It's just the drawers. I suppose that'll take a while. So yeah, maybe we'll do one of those. Is it quite easy?
It's not horrendous.
Yeah.
Which is
not bad.
Which is a very good thing, because usually I make a mess of these sort of things.
Yeah. Oh. That's good. So
saying that.
Oh dear. That's yeah, so I've just sorted everything in here. Oops, and cleared all the drawers out. So that is ready to go on Facebook Marketplace. And I don't even want to look at this side of the room. Oh god. Mess. So that's everything that's come out of the drawers. All is on the top, so we can sort all that out after. Put it all away. Move the desk out just to trial where we're going to put that, and that's just going to take all this stuff off the wall first. We're going to do that bit just so we can hoover. Oh,
you're going to make a mess.
Yeah, it's weird, it looks really big in here without that desk, so I think it's going to be a lot more functional. So we've decided to go, we're going to put it in the corner here facing outwards. And then we'll have all this space here where...
screws again.
Yeah, where we might put a little...
Poof.
Buffet. It's not buffet. Poof. So yeah, take these off, change the shelves, and then show you what that looks like. God, yeah, that is so wonky. I'll be glad to get that off the wall.
Well, they were cheap, weren't they? And we wanted a little...
Yeah. They're only from B&M.
They're nice though. They are nice, but...
It's just we put them on, really wonky.
I don't think... Insulation. Are they straight? Sure, that's
should we test it again?
Was it the top of the...
No, it was the bottom. Should we test it? We need to get... Oh, we haven't got a big spirit level. Moment of truth. Dun, 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 dun. And does it pull down?
Yeah, both sides. That's it.
Oh, it's pulled down?
Yeah.
Oh, very good. Does it look straight?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh.
Is it off by quite a bit?
I think you need to pull down on that side.
That's already pulled down. So what's happened? So this side's lower. So I shouldn't have gone up then on this side.
So are you saying it was right where I'd put it and you just decided to do it somewhere else?
No.
Huh?
No. So I think it's even further down. I think it's like here. It's fine. I'll take it all out. I'll leave the raw plug in. We'll work backwards. Okay. So guys, it's officially complete. We just need to buy a poof just to finish it off. But we're really happy with how it's all come out. Yeah. And the paint's still drying. If you're wondering why there's like random patches.
Yeah, it is. We just couldn't wait.
But no, I'll show you it now. Ooh, the focusing help there with the big reveal. What do you think? It looks so much better than before. With everything in place now. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you've enjoyed. Thank you for subscribing again. It's now officially New Year, now, isn't it? So Happy New Year. Hope you all had a lovely evening and hope you all have a good one. We hope to continue doing the videos every week, don't we? For the whole of this year, and we hope to see more and more of you guys coming back and new people. And we'd like to see all the comments, obviously. So thanks again for watching and Happy New Year.
See you soon. Bye.
Bye.